If you ever come across some coconut leaves, don't toss them aside. Try making these adorable leaf parrots instead. Here, sharing step-by-step process of how I made them. First, separate the leaflets, cut the edge and trim off the center vein. We will be working with the flexible part of the leaf. Cut the two leaves about 25 inches. Take a leaf and twist it into a hoop. Place the right side leaf on the left side leaf to form a hoop, aligning the ends properly. Take the second leaf and pass it through the hoop. Stop at about 1/4 the way. Hold the loose ends of the leaf and twist it around the hoop and hold it in the center. Now pass the first leaf into the hoop as shown here. Hold the leaf ends together and pull them outwards. Then pull each corner of the leaf to shape it into a box with a small hole in the center. On the left side corner, make a small slit. Pass the leaf edge through the slit and pull tight. Flip to the other side. Repeat the slit and pass and pull tight. This locks the cube and completes the body of the parrot. Take the top side leaf, twist it to form a triangle and press it gently. Cross the other leaf over it. Now twist the top side leaf to the left side to form a triangle and cross the other leaf over it. Twist the top side leaf inwards to form a triangle and repeat the same with the other leaf to form the parrot face. Next, twist the leaf towards the center of the triangle and then pull it around to the other side. Take the other leaf and repeat the same step, pulling it towards the center of the triangle and holding it to the other side. Now twist the top side leaf around the neck, gently press and hold. Twist the other end around the neck and fold it towards the other side. Press gently and hold. Wrap the other end and pass it through the existing slit. Make another slit to the same side and pass the leaf edge. Pull tight to hold the shape. Flip it around, make a slit as shown and pass the other end through it and pull tight to hold the shape. Press gently all over to lock the folds. Trim the tail to about 2 inches. Wings can be trimmed around 1.5 inches. The first one may take 10 minutes. Once you get hang of it, it takes under a minute to make these parrots. These make beautiful festive or eco-friendly decoration, and once dried, these parrots can be dyed and reused multiple times for decorations.